Hello everyone. As you saw, I'm going to be showing you how to make a ponytail holder. So, first you want to go to accessory bottom. Now you want to go to page 8 and give the accessory 153. Now you can just play around with it and make it whatever color you like. Now, for this part, this is where not everyone's adjusting is going to be the same. So, first you can rotate it if you like, only if you can too. And if you want to make it like small, you can make it small. Or you can make it big or medium, but I honestly go with any size. But for this character, I think I'm just gonna do a little bit. So there you go. If you have a hat, then it might be a little bit more different adjusting because some of it might cover it up. But yeah. And this is what I'm talking about.